In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact form to Strikingly website. If you want visitors to reach you quickly without any coding, you're in the right place. Strikingly includes a built-in contact form, so we'll use that to get a clean professional form live in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through opening the editor, adding the contact section, customizing the fields, and making sure messages land in your inbox. Start by logging into your Strikingly account and opening your site in the editor. On your dashboard, locate the site you want to update and click Edit. This brings up the visual editor where you control your pages and sections. Next, add the contact form to your page. In the editor, click Add Section. From the section types, choose Contact. You'll see several layout options, each with a slightly different arrangement of text and form fields. Pick the layout that fits your design and tone, and Strikingly will drop the contact section into your page instantly. You'll see a ready-made form as soon as you select it. Now it's time to customize. Click directly on the form to edit it. The default fields typically include name, email, and message. You can rename labels, adjust placeholder text, and decide which fields are required. If you'd like to capture a bit more information, you can add optional fields such as a phone number or a company name. A helpful tip: keep your form short so people are more likely to complete it. Only ask for what you truly need to respond helpfully. Before you wrap up, set where submissions will be sent. Open form settings within the contact section. Enter the email address where you want new messages delivered. Use an inbox you check frequently and make sure it's typed correctly to avoid missed inquiries. Save your changes when you're done. If your email service has strict filters, it can help to add Strikingly's notifications to your safe senders list to improve deliverability. Finally, test the form. Type in a brief message as if you're a visitor and submit it. Confirm that the success message appears on the page and that the email arrives in your inbox within a few moments. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder, then submit another quick test to verify everything is working as expected. That's it. You've added a clear functional contact form to your Strikingly site, customized the fields to match your needs, and set up notifications so you never miss a message. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined communication workflow.